How to add trusted phone numbers to your Apple account. First of all, get to your settings and make sure that you are logged into your Apple account. Then from here, simply tap on your profile right here. Then tap on sign in and security. So after doing that, here you can see two-factor authentication. Tap on it. Then after doing that, tap on add a trusted phone number. Then your Face ID or your Touch ID verification might be required. After verifying that, here we'll get to this page where you have to now select your country code. After selecting your country code, all you need to do is type down your phone number. Then we have the option of verifying number. If you want it to be text message, you can do so, or you can even select phone call. For now, I'm going to go with text message and then tap on continue. Now in here, you'll get a verification code to your phone number. Simply write that code down in here. Just like this, here you can see, since I was currently using the same phone number in my phone, it automatically verified it. And just like that, we have added the trusted phone number on our phone. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.